In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show multiple x-axis value by hierarchy in Power BI. If you've ever built a chart and wondered why your x-axis only shows one long label instead of clear, separate hierarchy levels like year, quarter, and month, this quick adjustment is what you need. We're going to make a small change in the formatting that tells Power BI to respect the hierarchy and display each level clearly, one beneath the other, so your audience can read time or category groupings at a glance. Start by clicking the visual you want to update. Make sure it's selected, because the formatting options you see always apply to the active visual. Then, look to the Visualizations pane and move into the Format tab. This is the section with all the styling controls for your chart. You'll find everything you need right here. Inside the Format tab, go to the Visual section and expand the x-axis options. This is where Power BI controls how labels behave on the x-axis. By default, Power BI tends to combine or flatten category labels into a single line, which can make hierarchical data harder to read. To change that, find the setting called Concatenate Labels under the Values area and turn it off. That's it, one simple toggle. Once you disable Concatenate Labels, your x-axis will display hierarchical values properly. Instead of a single, compressed label, you'll see stacked levels, like the top line for year, the next line for quarter, and then month, depending on the hierarchy you've already used on the axis. This is especially helpful for visuals such as column, bar, line, or area charts, where readability matters, and your viewers need to understand how categories roll up at a glance. A quick note on what you're seeing. This setting works best when your x-axis field is a hierarchy, such as a built-in date hierarchy or a custom grouping you've already defined. If your axis is a single field without levels, turning off label concatenation won't produce multiple lines because there's only one level to show. That's expected behavior. If labels feel crowded, don't worry. Power BI will automatically manage spacing, skipping, or wrapping where it can. You can also make the visual a bit wider to give the axis more room, so each level reads clearly. And that's all there is to it. Select the visual, open the Format tab, expand its x-axis, and turn off concatenate labels. Your hierarchical x-axis is now clean, readable, and presentation ready.